Okay, this is a quick tutorial to show you how to generate a website for your course project, to share it with your peers and to share it with me. If you're already familiar with HTML authoring tools like Dreamweaver or the Apple ecosystem, by any means use whatever you're familiar with. But this one here is a pretty simple one, so it's a free online editor. If you've never used anything, then why not use this? I'll show you how to do it. Now this is completely free, but you are going to be nagged for registering domain names and things like this, but you can ignore all this. So you should never pull out your credit card or pay for anything or upgrade for anything. So the basic functionality that we need here is completely free. So you have to sign up with an email address. That obviously doesn't have to be your university address. And I'm already logged in. So once you have an account, this is how your home screen looks like. I already have a whole bunch of websites here on it. This does not appear in your view when you start, so you just start with a new site. You add a new site. You don't need an online store, we just need a website. And you can pick a theme. And there's a whole pile of things. What I recommend is that you go to Other and just pick the first one here and say Start Editing. And there we go, select a domain name. That's actually, you can do this for free, but well, let's do this later. So you can always click these nag screens away. Now, these are all relatively complex layouts and fancier templates than we need. So my recommendation is to go to Theme, then Change Theme. Again, go to Other, and scroll down to Show Older Themes. So these are simpler themes. There's still hundreds that you can pick from. They don't show up, but if you click on it, preview, it will show how that looks like. So this is a much simpler design. I'm just going to pick it here. You can change your mind later. So we say Choose, Confirm. And so now we have a much simpler design. We still have all this stuff, so you never lose anything if you change your theme. So we still have the layout from the old theme. So we're going to fix this by just deleting a bunch of pages. So you go to your pages and you can delete all of those pages that are there. So click on that, delete. 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 And okay, we need one left, but now we can add custom pages. So let's make this a home page, intro, methods, and so on. And you can reorder this, so any way you like. And once you're done, so this appears here automatically in the navigation menu as well. So next, we're going to the build screen. What you can do now is just drag elements here. So let's say we want to start with a title. My title. Maybe a text element. I'm going to drag that below. This is my abstract. And you have the basic editing functionality here as well. So you could make something bold and things like that. You can add pictures. So just put a picture here with a figure, for example. So you upload an image, and then you can put another text element below and say figure 1, this and that, and bold it, and there you go. So this is really quite simple to work with. So we'll simply use that as a tool for easy sharing, and this is actually how we always collected peer feedback in this class. So it's not just due to COVID. So you can look at other students' projects. And many students actually spent some time and effort to make this look nice. and describe their projects, what they dreamed up. So you can take inspiration from these previous projects. Okay, so once you're done, you just go to publish and search for a website. So in this case, so you just pick a name, maybe RR480 project here, and say search, and then ignore all these things. So those are the ones that you would have to pay for. So simply use the subdomain here that is suggested. So we choose this, done. And so now this is your new website. Let's open this in a new link. This is how it looks like. So I can move between my different pages here, and obviously I have not added too many things, but this is how this works in principle. So it's super easy. So you can just close this and go back and add something more, maybe a header, my project, something, and let's see, we can publish this again, look at it. So that's how your final project would look like. So very straightforward. And if you want to try a different layout, just go back to the theme, change theme, other. Sometimes you have to switch between those, and then it show older themes. Maybe this one here, let's take a look. Well, that looks pretty nice and simple. And we just click choose and click publish again. Let's see how it looks. So this would be the general layout of your website. And you can eventually also go back to the more complex ones, but these ones are slightly easier to build. So I would start here with the old themes.